Hello my dear students, welcome to a new video. In this section, you are going to listen and watch a young girl, Annie and her robot friend movie. They are deciding which food to choose in their school cafeteria. Let's start, listen and watch.
What do you want for lunch? Maybe that's all junk food. That's not good for you. This plate reminds us how to use the food groups to eat balanced, healthy meals. What are the food groups? Vegetables have important nutrients we need to grow and stay healthy. Dark green vegetables like broccoli, spinach, kale, and collard greens have calcium, which our bodies use to grow strong bones. Carrots, sweet potatoes, bell peppers, squash, and beets have vitamin A, which helps protect and heal our bodies. Beans are also part of the vegetable group. They're a good source of protein, which you need to build strong muscles, including your heart. You should eat different vegetables so you can get different nutrients. Kids our age should get about 1.5 cups of vegetables a day. You can add a small salad at lunch and a helping of vegetables at dinner. Fruit is also an important part of a balanced meal. Fresh apples, oranges, bananas, and other fruits are loaded with vitamins that our bodies need for healthy eyes and skin. They also have nutrients that help us fight diseases. Fresh fruit and vegetables have fiber, which our digestive system uses to stay healthy. We should have about a cup to a cup and a half of fruit a day. You can have fruit with your oatmeal in the morning and some grapes for a snack in the afternoon. Different colors of fruits and vegetables have different nutrients, so it's good to eat a variety of colors. Half your plate for each meal should be made up of fruits and vegetables. Grains are also an important food group. Bread, rice, pasta, oats, cereal, and tortillas are all part of the grains group. Most grains you eat should be whole grains, which are more nutritious. White bread, white rice, and sugary cereals are made with processed grains, which have lost a lot of their nutrients. Grains contain carbohydrates, which our bodies use for energy. They also contain a lot of fiber, which is good for our digestive system. We need about 5 ounces of grains a day. You could have half a bagel for breakfast, a sandwich with multigrain bread for lunch, and a helping of whole wheat pasta at dinner. Balanced healthy meal also has protein. The proteins food group includes meats like chicken, beef, and fish. It also includes eggs, nuts, beans, and tofu. Beans are part of both the protein and the vegetables group. Remember, our bodies use proteins to build muscles. We need about 4 ounces of protein a day. You could have a piece of wheat toast with peanut butter in the morning, a salad with chicken at lunch, and a small piece of fish at dinner. Try to get your protein from different foods. Dairy is another part of a balanced meal. Milk, soy milk, cheese, and yogurt are all part of the dairy group. Dairy foods have calcium, which our bodies use to grow healthy bones, teeth, and hair. Milk is a great source of vitamin D, too, which our bodies need in order to get calcium. You should pick plain milk that's lower in fat, such as skim or 1%. Chocolate and strawberry milk aren't good choices because they have tons of sugar. Kids need about 2.5 cups of dairy a day. We can have yogurt with fruit in the morning, A small carton of milk with lunch, and a little cheese at dinner. When you eat, take a look at your plate. Half your plate should have fruits and vegetables, with a bit more vegetables. The other half should have grains and protein, with more grains. There should be some dairy too,